Folks, Hamas is manipulating the media with their hostage release scam. They have convinced people that they are these wonderful people because they're releasing these hostages. Oh, isn't this fantastic? We have the American 4-year-old that was released. Isn't that great? But they fail to remind you that they killed this American 4-year-old's parents right in front of him. They're manipulating the media by telling the hostages to wave to the cameras as they go by, to smile and look happy. We're never going to find out the depths of suffering that these people did when they were fed cucumbers and pita for 51 days. Remember, Hamas killed and kidnapped these people. They killed their families. There was one family that was released, Brodettes, a 40-year-old with 4 children. There was another one, Ahmad family, 48 years old, and 3 children. They kidnapped them. Don't lose sight of the fact that the Hamas dogs, let me say that again, dogs kidnapped these people and held them hostage for 51 days. They're manipulating the media to make themselves look just so wonderful. Don't fall for it.